Hey, this is just some of my inventory for Valentine's. I'm gathering everything together and getting it going. I made all of the decor on the right. The yin and yang I'm going to be making into candles. And those are candle holders behind them. This is all handmade resin and cement decor over here. My handmade luxury bath salts in 2 different containers. This is just a few of the assorted bath sets and perfumes. And here's just a few of the assorted bases, including cosmetic bags and boxes. And this heel, yes. I cannot wait to design these 2 heels. That's going to be interesting. More Bath and Body Works, of course. And I made sure that I got my ribbons and bags that go along with that. Assorted rose bears and plushies. Not too shabby of a start, so I gotta go through the rest of my inventory and pick out the rest for Valentine's. Thank you so much for watching.